The 443 multiple 32mm stamps designed by painter Nguyễn Đức Lân depict the waterfalls of Dải Yểm in Sơn La Province, Mây in Thanh Hóa Province, Phong Hoa in Lâm Đồng Province, and Suối Chanh in Kiên Giang Province. Dải Yểm has long been a magnet for visitors in magnificent and poetic Mộc Châu Plateau. The over 100-meter Mây waterfall boasts pristine beauty with crystal clear waters. Phong Hoa is called the 7-level waterfall, since its waters flows down 7 layers of rock. Suối Chang's clear waters flow through rocks and cliffs to form a stunning setting in the forest.